Both of them. That's so funny. This is the coolest thing I have ever done. I can't believe we came here, guys, to put all these videos together.
Yeah, people drive around in all kinds of.
In the car in North Shore.
What?
Hurricane Milton!
Wow, that's well over 100 right in that middle section. And we got hail too.
This has been the most beautiful, emotional, crazy thing. It's been so turbulent, so rocky, so bumpy. I thought you were gonna die at one point. I don't know, I couldn't see you and you were just out in the ocean. I was like screaming my head off.
So it's still not safe to drive. We're probably gonna sleep for that's the other thing, guys. Single for me.
The rainfall rate is decreasing, so in about 20 minutes, any flooding and ponding on the road should recede. The wind, though, is still an issue, but it should start to come down.
Say the whole thing with that last bit.
Oh, yeah.
Drop it. So look at
Probably gonna sleep in the car in North Shore.
yeah. Nope.
Wow. Hurricane Milton is almost, and we stuck in the parking lot nearby the beach in a car. It's still not safe to drive, so we are waiting to calm down. It was a very long day. I woke up early and I had to make sandbags, getting ready.
We did so much. We got the house all ready.
Yes. I'm so excited for the sleeping.
Well, they just like rock goodbye.
Rock.
Passengers, yeah, I'm gonna rock
On
you
the
all.
streets.
She got a twisted sense of humor. I'll tell you.
Wow.
One of these, she got like, oh, you want to go to sleep? You want a lullaby? Here you go. Here's a nice hurricane. Shake your car up a little bit. Wreck a bunch of cities on the west coast of Florida. The same cities that got wrecked 2 years ago by Hurricane Ian. Yeah, you do have a twisted sense of humor, Mother Nature.
Yeah, it was a wild adventure.
Oh, we got
But we did. Yay!
step up two in the water and flooding her house. She was like, yeah, my house is on the bottom. I'm gonna do the step up two dance. I think we're good now. It's not even shaking like it was. It was shaking. It was just a second ago. It was shaking, and now we're not. But we. My boat is like kind of I would have.
Oh, the flooding has receded. It's just very windy. Extremely.
Do you feel good about the power line since like the power line?
I could. I mean, I could test it out. Well, at least one time.
You know what? That'll be dope if you start. I'm not even gonna look outside. I'm gonna stay laying down.
Some of these gusts are still dangerous, so I'm hesitant.
I feel you. Some of them just need it.
Yeah. I just don't want to put like any of you at risk of like injury or something hitting. That's why. But it's trending in the right direction. The rain is receding. The floodwater has receded, and eventually the wind will recede, and I will get you all home. I promise.
So last thing anyone saw was 2 hours ago. This was the worst ever.